let us import a non-custodial wallet like MetaMask to ByBit. We're in ByBit now. This is the home page. You click on Web3, you enter Web3, you click on wallet. Then you see this top side where you see wallet seed phrase. You come here and you click add wallet. Now it's asking you to create a multi-chain wallet, or you import wallet, or you just watch only wallet, which you just use it to track assets of other wallets. Now you go to import wallet, and what we'll go for is seed phrase wallet. Now you have your seed phrase for your other wallets. Okay, let's say for instance MetaMask. So you click on that one and you say manual input. You go to manual input. So you put either your seed phrase or your private key. Okay. So you go there, you verify device password. I just use the one that I use for ByBit. I've opened it. Now they're asking for your seed phrase. Okay. So I'm going to go get my seed phrase. I have copied my seed phrase now. I will paste my seed phrase here. You say allow paste. And I import. Now it's importing the wallet to ByBit. Now, what do I have? I've successfully imported the wallet. And let's look at the wallets that we have. So, your wallet 2. Wallet 2 is your custodial wallet that you imported. So, this is the one I want to use now. Now, I will click on that wallet 2. I'll go to deposit. I'll click on USDT and I'll copy the address. So I've already previously connected ByBit, but I connected the wrong wallet. So what I'll do right now is I'll delete it. Now I will go back and say ByBit, and I'll say yes, I have it. What is the wallet address you want to use? I use this one, and I go made it. I have now connected my ByBit, my non-custodial wallet, through my ByBit app, my ByBit account, and I connected it to PixelTap. So now the non-custodial wallet I used is MetaMask. So in my next video, I will show you how I connected MetaMask to dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please endeavor to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video to your friends. Thank you.